Dear students, next topic, administration in the kingdoms. While discussion of this topic, we know that about high sounding titles adopted by new kings. These high sounding titles were Maharaja Dhiraj and Tribhuvan Chakravarti. Maharaja Dhiraj means great king or overlord of kings. Tribhuvan Chakravarti means Lord of three worlds. Dear students, next some question can be put up to understand this topic properly, such as what do you find in administration system during that time? Students, these new kings often shared power with their samantas as well as with associations of peasants, traders, and brahmanas. Now, next question can be put up, find out about the system of collection of revenue during that time. We can understand the system of collection of revenue. Peasants, cattle keepers, and artisans were often forced to surrender the part of their production. Now we find out information about the inscriptions of the Cholas who ruled in Tamil Nadu. Refer to more than 400 terms for different kinds of taxes. There were different kind of taxes such as Vetti tax. Vetti tax was taken not in cash but in the form of forced labor. Next, Kadmai tax. Kadmai tax means land revenue. Third, taxes on thatching the house. Fourth, tax on the use of a ladder to climb palm trees. And tax on succession to family property. Next question can be asked from this topic. How did resources use? Resources were used to finance the king's establishment, for the construction of temples and forts, and to fight wars. Now, you have to also know who were the functionaries for collecting revenue. Students, these functionaries recruited from powerful families and positions were often hereditary. This system followed in army as well. In many cases, close relatives of the king held these positions. Now, students, Note down some important keywords related to this topic. Acquisition of wealth. Acquisition of wealth means gaining property. Functionaries. Functionaries means officials. Recruited. Recruited means to enlist as officials or soldiers. Hereditary. Hereditary means transmitted from one generation to another. So, we have discussed this topic, administration in these kingdoms. Thanks.